Moksori. Moksori. What does this word mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word sori. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 291. Sori. Sori. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is so, and the second syllable is ri. Pronounce it with me. Sori. Sori. The word sori is the Korean term for sound. Again, sori is the Korean term for sound. How do you write sori in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable so, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an o character. For the second syllable ri, we need to draw first a real character followed by an e character. So that's so, ri. That's it for the two syllables. And to be able to write the Hangul for the word sori itself, you just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables. Now, let's just add more details to this word. So if you're familiar with the word moksori, it actually means voice in Korean. And as you can see, the sori part is our word for today, which means sound. And we just added mok, which means neck. So moksori is neck sound or voice. And with that, you've just learned sori. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 281 to 290. But don't forget our word for today, word number 291, sori, which means sound. The first word for our review is word number 290, mianeo, which means I'm sorry. Word number 289 is dowajuseyo, which means give me help or help me. Word number 288 is 맛있는, which means delicious. Word number 287 is 여자친구, which means girlfriend. Word number 286 is 남자친구, which means boyfriend. Word number 285 is gasu, which means singer. Word number 284 is bada, which means ocean or sea. Word number 283 is sangson, which means fish. Word number 282 is 과일, which means fruit. And the last word for our review is word number 281, 돕다, which means to help. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time on here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Moksori. I used to hear this a lot from Korean songs. But what does it mean? Today, we are going to study about the word moksori. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 190. Moksori. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is mok, second syllable is so, and third syllable is ri. Pronounce it with me. Moksori. Moksori. The word moksori is the Korean noun for voice. Again, this is the Korean noun for voice. How do we write moksori in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the syllable mok in Hangul, we need to draw first a miyum character, followed by an o character, followed by a gyok character. For the second syllable so, we need to draw first a siyot character, followed by an o character. With the last syllable ri, we need to draw first a real character, followed by an e character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word moksori. Now here is just more details about the word moksori itself. The first part of the word, which is mok, actually means neck. And the second part of the word, which is sori, is the Korean term for sound. When these two are combined, it would result to a word which means neck sound, which we usually know as voice. The sound that we produce from our neck is actually our voice. So, when you encounter this word on K-pop songs, you already know that it means voice. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the word moksori is simply voice. And with that, you've just learned moksori. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 180 to 189. But don't forget our word for today, word number 190, moksori, which is the Korean noun for voice. Word number 189 is 봄, and this is the Korean noun for the spring season. Word number 188 is taepong, and this is the Korean noun for typhoon. Word number 187 is 왔어요, which means came, or the past tense of come. Word number 186 is 피곤해. This is an adjective which means tired. Word number 185 is jogo, which means that. Word number 184 is 이거, which means this. Word number 183 is 영어, and this pertains to the English language. Word number 182 is 한국어, which pertains to the Korean language. Word number 181 is 여러분, which means everyone. And the last word for our review is pizza. This is a loan word which means pizza. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.